Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons systems online. All systems nominal.
All right, guys, let's get back to it. Continue on with Fractal Punk. Let's go. All right, so I was thinking, right, which is like amazing, right? I think what I'm gonna do with these items right here, we're going to add, what was it, marker 3D. What's this? What do we name this? Can we name this like, I don't know. We'll name it barrel for now. We can change that later. Set that to -1 on Z. And then we're going to get we're gonna make this into an instance. Not an instance, now we'll just make this a unseparate scene. Save that branch as scene. Now here's the hard part though. Where am I gonna put it? In objects maybe? Yeah. Hold on. Let's rename it too. I'm gonna name it prototype blast particles 01. That should be good. Yeah, we're gonna put that in objects. Okay, so now we can delete this. I said delete this. Delete all of them. Okay. We're gonna copy this, move them all over here. And now the script. Wait, oh, no, wrong one, this one. Use, okay, so let's just change this to pass for now. We're gonna have to change this stuff. Which wasn't hard at all. I don't know. Anyways. Oh wait, no. Wait, hold on. Because we need to also on ready var blast particles. This is going to be a packed scene. Preload that bitch. Blast particles. Right. Okay. We're good. So, I would have to add a cooldown to this eventually. Maybe I'll do that differently. I don't know. I'll do that differently somehow. Some other time. Which I will regret saying. The future me is going to regret saying that. We all know it. So we're going to do var new blast particles equals blast particles dot what is it? Instantiate. Gotta instantiate that bitch. Now we go new particles, new blast particles dot position. Wait. Position. What? Why isn't it? Position. Okay. Whatever. It's there. It's there now. Equals barrel dot position. Works for barrel. I think we just add the add child, right? New blast particles. Oh wait, but there is one other thing we need to change in there. Object. In here we need, I guess, emitting. Dude. Okay, so because I also need it to be one shot. Oh wait, how am I gonna? Oof, this needs a script itself. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so script. And then so I want to try this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try putting emitting equals true here, and then in the process, if emitting equals false, queue free. Because I don't know if this ready is going to be read before the process, the first frame. It should, right? You would think it would. It might happen all at the same time, meaning even though on the ready this is true, process might not see that it is set to true yet. I don't know. Coding is weird. Let's try it though. Let's try it. So I think, yeah, all these three items got the barrel on there, and we need to save this. I think it's saved. Not sure. Is that okay? And then use, we got blast particles equals blast particles instantiate, new blast particles position is the barrel position. Gotcha. Okay, so I think that should do. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, but I don't know if it does the queue free thing. Hold on. And dude, it does work. Yo, look at that. All right, cool. Does the blue one work? Oh, yeah. Have to expand that. Dope. Do that for this one too, just to test. See that. Yo, okay. Now we're in business. Now we can. You know what? Okay. I know how to do that. So we could just gotta add two of these. We gotta go here and here. Interaction text dot text equals blank. Done. Super easy. So now that this thing will stop just floating there. Now we got this little blaster stick. Alright. Now the fun part. Yo, let's do this. Okay, we gotta go and make some enemies. Yeah, enemies. Hold on. So we'll start with a character 3D. Do throw in this mesh, but this mesh will be. What are we gonna make this mesh? Should we make it a box? Or just another capsule? Have everything capsules. No, I'm gonna make it easy to differentiate. Okay, so this thing's gonna be 2 meters high. Then let's make our own collision shape. Because I want more control over my collision shapes, please. Alright, so this is going to be an NPC. It will interact with everything. I should probably have player also have the NPC mask on. Alright, prototype NPC 01. You never know when you might need another. I think that's it for now. So let's save this bad boy in actors. Yeah, there we go. Right here, I guess. That should do it. Now we got to attach a script, and no, you don't need all this. What are you doing? Why'd I do that? All right, we're going to just start from scratch. We're gonna go speed equals, what is it in player? 5? 5. Yeah, we'll just go 5.0. Jump velocity. No caps. 4.5. Dope. Making progress. We're probably gonna have to make. Okay, hold on. Let's do direction, or hold on. Face direction, because I could use direction for like a whole bunch of other things too. So let's kind of like specify which direction. Not which direction, but what type of direction we're talking about here. Keep things concise. Because communication is hard enough as is. No need to make it harder than it already is. So let's see, we're gonna start with 0, I guess. Alright, we're also gonna need an aggro. That shit is going to equal false. Bro. There we go. Let's see. Function. Ready. Do I need ready? I don't know. We'll pass. Function process. Let's see what we do here. I think, wait. We gotta add another. I don't know, moving, I guess? False. So, if moving equals true, moving equals true, rotation dot y equals lerp angle from rotation dot y to face direction by 0.1. Solid. What did I do wrong? Rotation. This is a very common typo for me. Don't know why. It's really weird. Dude, I forgot what, here, it's in player, isn't it? It's, you use, like, the, what is it called? Basis, transform basis. That's right. You use transform basis. On the Z. So that's probably just gonna be, that Z is probably just gonna be -1, I think. Let's copy this. Like I said, remember, you never know when you're gonna need direction. You only need it right here. Oh yeah, we don't need it. This can be 0. And then this, I believe, is -1. Alright. And then after that we go, I guess we just do velocity. Yeah. So we just need this stuff. Yeah, just take this. And just move and slide, right? Move and slide. Else. Pass, I guess? Yeah. Okay. This is gonna... We're gonna have to add some more stuff here later. But for now, we're just gonna see if this wandering thing... just like wandering around randomly. Wander timer. Okay. So we just throw that in there, like so. And then we go. We're one shot, I guess, or not? Yeah, one shot. Auto start. Hell yeah. No timeout on prototype NPC. Okay, so let's see. We're going to do... Oh, dude. Oh, bro. It's okay. Just add degrees to the end of this. Degrees. Yeah. Forgot about that. That's okay. We got this. Face direction. That's just gonna equal a random integer with a range of 0 to 360. Now, let's see. Moving equals not move. Oops, not moving. And then we do wander time is going to start at random I range from 1 to 10. Alright. I kind of want... Oh wait, no, it's a cube. Not cube, it's a block. So I'll be able to see what direction it's facing. I'm gonna be able to see the rotation work, because that's gonna be something that we need to take. We're gonna have to keep track of. So with that said, let's just put this guy right here and put that to 1.5. Let's even this out. Good old, oops, I just want 10. Just want negative 10, that's it. 6, cool. Hey, where you going? 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 You're not turning, dude. There's no way you rolled 0, dude. There's no fucking way you rolled 0, bro. You keep rolling 0? I don't believe it. That's not what's happening here. Rotation degrees y equals angle rotation degree y to face direction 0.1. Alright. Okay. Let's watch the remote. What the hell? Face direction, one face. Face direction 288. So, okay. So yeah. There's gotta be something with the the rotation. Rotation degrees dot y. That's right, right? Well, it doesn't really matter because none of it's rotating. So it's not like it's not rotating the right axis. I just want to watch it walk off the edge. Even though it doesn't, there's no gravity. I didn't code gravity. Well, I deleted the gravity code, so it's just gonna walk all the way out there. Well, for me, I fall to my demise. Rotation degree Y, lerp angle, right? It should be lerp angle because lerp, normal lerp, it's gonna be, yep. Whoa, shit. It's not a float, dude. That's an integer. Whatever. Change that to float. Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. It's okay. There we go. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Chill out. Chill out, dude. What the fuck? Oops. Alright. So lerp angle is the thing that's supposed to prevent that from happening. The whole crazy spin effect. What was the other one? There's another thing. Move to? Does that work? Hold on. Hold on. I think it should be somewhere around here. Lerp to dB. What is that? Convert from linear energy to decibels. Oh yeah. Oh, that's sound effects. Log that. Move. Okay, so yeah, we're looking for move to. It might be in here. I don't know if it is. Yeah, move towards. From float to float. Delta. Moves from towards 2 by the delta amount will not go past 2. Maybe? Move towards. Okay, so yeah, let's try that. Move towards. Oh, but this is all, it said floats. It moves floats to floats, which is fine. How about we just like remove all this? Remove all the integer brute force. No need for that. We're civilized people here. And oh shit. It's going off to the side right there. Now, does he go crazy? Is a question. Oh, dude. That's hella slow, though. What if we change this to 0.5? That looks cool-ish. If we were, like, playing go-karts. Alright, we're gonna try 1. Just delta 1. I mean, wait, hold on. You're just gonna keep going in circles. That's all weird. Wait, oh, okay. But, hold on. Yeah. How does that work then? That's so weird. It shouldn't go past face direction, but it does. Oh, let's try delta 10. Yeah, see? Alright. Lerp angle is what I need, but I don't know why it's not working. That's hella weird. Hold on. Let's just... Okay, close this. Go back to here. Go back up to... Sorry, knocking my mic around. Lerp angle linearly interpolates between 2 angles in radians by... Oh... Fuck! I gotta use radians. Dude. Alright. Yep. Okay, we just gotta use radians. Not a big fan of radians, but whatever. Let's do it. It's gotta be a float, and if I remember correctly, 6.3 is basically 360. Basically. Hold on. convert degrees to radians. We need 360 degrees, 6.2. So yeah, 6.3 if you're rounding up. 6.283185. Why are you like this? Where was my shit? Yeah, okay, so we'll leave it at 6.3. That's fine. Alright, now it works. Okay, we're in business now. I just gotta stop being afraid of radians, I guess. Embrace radians. Accept my new savior, radians. Have you heard of my savior, radians? Lord and Savior radians? Let me tell you about my Lord and Savior radians. Alright, so we're just going to now we gotta make oops. Let's make, hold on, we'll do, I don't know, stats right here. For health equals 100. Basics. Oops. Gotta do the same for player too. So we're gonna go, we're gonna comment stats in here. And now, let's see. We gotta make, you know what? The hand needs to rotate too. Oh, whatever, we'll do it. Ah, dude. Okay, no, we'll do that later. I mean, you know, like pivot up and down like this. It doesn't, but it's whatever. We're just prototyping right now. Stop trying to polish a prototype. So I guess we need a raycast right here. Shootcast? Question mark? Alright, so it's going to collide with world and NPCs. I think that's all we need. We also need it to go, I don't know, negative 100 on the z-axis. None of that y-axis bullshit. We don't need that. Unnecessary. Get out of here, y-axis. I'm sorry, y-axis, I need you. So then you're gonna go, I guess just put that at negative xz, I mean negative 1z. Like so. Okay, then we're going to copy, and we're going to paste, and where's paste? Why'd I lose paste all of a sudden? Prototype NPC needs function. Damage, I guess? Damage. And then we're going to do pass for now, because we need to make, we're gonna have to make a class for that. Okay, go file system. Bro, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna make one in system, I guess. Using, no, great, no, cancel, not seen, script. The fuck? Can I undo that? No. Oh shit, what did I? Ah, bro. What did I do? Whatever. Wait, what's in class item, dude? Can I see this real quick? It's just player. Can I just recycle this? Why not? Why don't I just put all the stuff in here that I need? I'm trying to think, is there... AI mom. AI mom. Help. Help, AI mom. What benefits from using one script for all classes in GD script. Let's see if I phrased that correctly. I don't know what I misspelled in there, but auto spelling is suggesting something. Using one script for all classes in GD script simplifies the design and reduces complexity. Each file is treated as a class, which means the GD script parser does not need to handle multiple top-level classes within a single file. This avoids the need for additional logic to determine the main class, simplifying the parser work and documentation. By having one script per class, you can easily manage and organize the functionality of a large project into manageable chunks, promoting encapsulation and making the code base easier to maintain. This approach also aligns with Godot's built-in node hierarchy, which extensively uses class inheritance. Additionally, the structure allows you to use design patterns effectively, such as the singleton pattern for sorting global data and functions, the observer pattern for signal emissions, and the factory pattern for node generation. I actually don't know what that means. I'm gonna be honest, man. Except for like this chunk right here, I get. I guess simplifies the design and reduces complexity. Yeah, that's pretty simple too, I guess. So are there any disadvantages from using one script for all classes? Disadvantages of one script for all classes. Using one script file for all classes in GDScript can lead to several disadvantages. Firstly, it can make the code harder to navigate and understand, especially in large projects, as it increases the complexity and of the code base. This can also make it more difficult to maintain and update the code over time. Additionally, having multiple classes in a single file can lead to unexpected behaviors or errors if not managed properly, as the GDScript parser would need to handle multiple classes within the same file, which can introduce additional complexity and potential issues. Furthermore, if you were to define multiple top-level classes within a file, it would require additional logic to determine which class is the main one for the script. Adding unnecessary complexity to the design documentation and parser work, this can also complicate the editor's functionality and user experience, as it would need to account for alternative structures that could report errors and produce warnings. In summary, while there are some use cases where having multiple classes in one file might be beneficial, such as for small related classes or for executions like a group of exception classes, it is generally recommended to follow one class per file rule to simplify the code base and improve maintainability. Alright. Alright. This is way more reassuring. Just that last paragraph is a little bit more reassuring. It's like, okay, so I shouldn't do that. Okay. That makes sense. But honestly, so really I can just also just put in another class name here. Class name, attack. Class name can only be used once. Oh. I can't even do that. Okay. Oh, where's my music? Why is this here? We don't need all these comments, dude. I know what these do. Alright. Never mind, we don't... Okay, so yeah. We can't do that. So what we're gonna do... We're gonna... Okay, let's see. What is this gonna be called? Class... attack, I guess? Yeah, because... that's what I wanted to name it in here. Class name, class attack. I don't even need these for classes. Why are they still there? Let's start with damage, I guess, because it's what I really need right now. Default 10. For some reason. I don't know why. It's okay. Let's see. So we need to get this shot cast over here. Hey. Okay. Oops. What type NPC here? Damage. Okay, we got it on pass right there. So, if shotcast, shootcast, not shotcast, shootcast. If shootcast, your shootcast dot is colliding. If shootcast dot get collider dot has method damage, right? Damage. We gotta make var damage, I guess. No. I guess attack. Attack equals class attack dot new attack dot damage. Wait, why didn't you? Is this not saved? It's not saved. Alright, item. Alright, there it is. Damage equals 50. And then we'll do maybe we should do this instead. Hold on. var target hit equals shootcast dot get collider. Get collider. No. Target hit as method. This is gonna cause a problem eventually. I already know it, but I'll fix it when it comes to it. We'll go target hit. Damage. Oh yeah, with attack. Pass attack through there. That should be it on this side. Do I need that? I'm not sure. Alright, so health minus equals attack dot damage, right? Oh, oops. Yeah, no, attack dot damage. There we go. And let's just print this shit right here, so we can know what's going on. Where are you, boy? Ah, fuck. Focusing damage and base character. Then don't do it. Oh. I should probably spell damage correctly. Yeah! Dead boy. But wait, why aren't you moving? Oh, what did I break this time, dude? So we go. Let's watch the remote version of it. You're not doing shit, dude. Why? What did I fuck up this time, dude? One shot auto start. No. I didn't see the moving thing changing. The move, this thing. So I'm thinking the timer's not going up, but the timer was going off. I'll wander timer timeout. It's not moving, but nothing's happening here. Wander timer, one shot. Autos. Wait, why isn't auto start on here? Wait. What about local? It's on here, but it's not on here. Not that it. I'd probably have to restart. Remote. What? I mean, I'm gonna guess that just once it does load, it checks off auto start. Like it starts and then auto start unchecks. Is what I'm gonna. Is what I'm just going to assume that. Red Alert was a pretty fucking cool game. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't my favorite Command and Conquer, but it was pretty good. Especially the soundtrack. Alright, but anyways. Enough dating myself. Why are you not doing that stuff? Bye. He's just gonna keep moving. Hold on. Stop. Your face direction is 0, dude. Let's change that to 90 for some obscure reason. Oh wait, it's radians. Fuck. I forgot about that. I was like, that doesn't look like a 90 at all. Under timer. One shot auto. Under timer start. On timer. Wander timer timeout. Oh, bro, did I? Hold on. Did I first somehow yell? See, it just didn't. It like lost connection for some reason. Anyways, that should do it. Where you going, boy? Where you going? Hold on. I'm gonna go get my green stick. Stay right there. I'm gonna get my green stick. How you like this? Huh? Ah! It's not hitting. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. How you like that? How you like that? Probably what I'll do is, let's see. So in here with the camera, I might add another raycast, and then wherever the raycast hits, I'll have the hand point at it. Does that sound legit? It's gonna look weird actually. Like going around corners and stuff. The hand's gonna like jolt around. Hella weird. Can I make it lerp? Should I lerp it? So I just don't know how I would move that. So say we had let's just put the raycast in here. And we're gonna call this aimcast. Interaction, cast camera, put it in camera maybe? Aimcast? Yeah, we're gonna put that in camera. Aimcast. Process. Oh wait, also.
Turbulence that you can find out when we're flying, but the four main types are clear air turbulence, thermal turbulence, mechanical turbulence, and wake turbulence.
Is 100 gonna be enough? Might need 1,000. We might need negative 1,000. Just saying. NPC, and that's it. I'll just leave it at that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay.
Turbulence.
If aimcast dot is colliding, aimcast is colliding. And aim equals aimcast dot get collision point no wait target aim, cast collision point, and then for hand aim equals hand dot global position dot angle to. Let me look up angle to again. I've used this one before. Hold on. Returns the unsigned minimum angle to the given vector in radians. I don't know. There's a couple other things. Direction to returns a normalized vector pointing from this vector to 2. This is equivalent to using B minus A. And what is direction 2? Direction 2, I think. Direction 2. Okay, so hand aim equals target aim. Goal position target 2. And rotation no, not rotation y. Dot y. No, not dot y. Dot x, right? That's the only one I really need, I think. And rotation dot x equals lerf angle and rotation dot x to hand aim dot x at 0.1. That's not point. There we go. Right? What did I fuck up this time? Yeah, that doesn't work. Fuck, dude. Oh, yeah, wait. Collision point. Okay, so target aim is collision point, which means direction 2. Maybe I should try to use angle 2. So let's see. Angle 2. Target aim, right? What happens if I do that? What? Oh, wait, what? Seriously? Oh yeah, because this isn't... This takes a vector 3, but it does not return a vector 3. Which is weird. How's that even... I'm too stupid for programming, dude. Let's see. Is the music too loud? I don't know if the music was too loud or anything. But yeah, so angle 2 does not return a vector 3. What does it return? I have no fucking clue, dude. What if we just do that? Grab this real quick. Whoa. Yeah, that does not do what I need it to do whatsoever. Okay, so hand aim, global position, angle 2. What was the other one? Direction 2. Oh, yeah. Already looked at that one. Let's see. Where's angle 2? There we go. Unsigned minimum angle to the given vector in radians. Alright. Let's close these docs. Wait, where am I? Oh, yeah, it's right here. The collision point. Alright, so get collision point, right? Global position, direction 2. Target aim. So target aim. Which is a vector 3. Right? Pointing from this vector to the equivalent to, this is equivalent to using b minus a dot normalized. Direction 2, vector 3. Normalized vector, okay. So that returns a vector 3. Direction 2, target aim's collision point. The aim cast collision point. Hand aim, hand global position. Direction 2. Target aim. Direction 2. Do I just need to dot x, right? Hand aim dot x, right? Do I just need to reverse this by multiplying by -1? I wonder. Let me get my green stick. No, it doesn't do shit. Oh, wait. No. No, it's not doing shit. Ain't doing shit. Why? Rotation X. Loop angle. Hand rotation X. To hand aim X. And then, oops. What exactly is this doing? You know what? Hold on. I might need to use like transform basis. Not just transform, not transform basis, just basis. I might have to use some form of dot basis. Is that my problem? Probably is. But my problem on top of that problem is that I don't fully understand dot basis. But that might be what I'm missing here. Like, let's see. Maybe I do need to use transform basis. What if I did transform basis times right here? What if I just added that right here? Transform dot basis times, no, wait, no, that's fucking stupid blurb. Transform basis here, transform dot basis times that. Let's see what I broke this time. Yeah. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Maybe I will. I can also just make the direction of the angle of hand just be the same as what you call it, one of the camera pivots. Like what if I just did like right here? And rotation dot hand dot rotation dot x equals camera pivot 2 rotation dot x. Fuck, dude. Misspelling. Bro! Hold on. What? Oh. Rotation, right? Oh, right, this one too. Yeah. Yep. This still isn't accurate, so probably what I'm gonna have happen is I'm gonna have the raycast of the weapons look at wherever my camera is pointing at. So I gotta get that shoot cast back. Yeah, I just deleted that shoot cast when actually I could use it because I'm gonna make it yeah, I'm gonna have it to have like the reticle actually be a reticle. I'm gonna have that shoot cast. No, not the shoot cast. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have the attack cap. What is it in here? What is it even? Oops. Shoot cast. The shoot cast is going to. Wait, did I have a shoot cast here too? Aim cast actually. No, yeah. So the shoot cast from the weapon is going to look at wherever the collision for the aim cast is here. And if it's not colliding, then it's just going to center in. It'll be, it's just gonna center in. Just so it doesn't like go all weird. Alright. We are going to... We're going to delete these test items. delete all of them. Oh wait, hold on. Let's delete those. Yeah. Delete this. Oh wait, save. Alright, so with that, so now we've got, oh yeah, we can close these. So now what we're gonna do is kind of make these trying to think of like how we're gonna make these like randomized, I guess. I don't want to say randomized, but it's gonna be randomized. And it doesn't really matter, I guess. Get that mesh instance to go all crazy albedo. Alright, we'll do that later. Well, hold on. Yeah, no, we'll do that later. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our aimcast back. Also this HUD. Hold on. Let's do something about this HUD, shall we? Yeesh. Okay. Do we add? No. Don't add a horizontal container box inside the center container box. Let's. Yeesh. Horizontal, vertical from bottom. Align from bottom. That should be fine. Actually, if I do that, it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, so we could add a vertical container box here. Box container, vertical container box. Then we could put that there. We've got to go into script and make sure that's done correctly first. Hold on. Player. Interaction text. Just replace this. Alright, now we go back to 2D. Actually, we got to make ourselves a little crosshair. I think the resolution should be. Should we have? Hold on. Should we have super high resolution crosshair, yeah. Super smooth, so many pixels. And it is going to be, we'll just make it white, and then we can like, just like colorize it in the engine, just in case you want like different colors. It'll be cool. As far as what this crosshair is going to be, is it going to be, I don't know. Do you want to be cool and make it a triangle? So cool. So unique. So special. Right? Is that right? Did I do it right? I don't know. Okay, layer. Couple layers of content. Then we're going to center this shit. I said we're gonna center this shit. Are you grabbing onto what I want you to grab onto, bro? Oh, I think you are. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Okay. There. Image size. Let's see. Not quite sure this is even the triangle I'm looking for. Is this the triangle I'm looking for, dude? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go like this. And then can I do this? Then shrink by, we'll say 20. Ah, dude. So powerful, dude. Such powerful. Oops. Should I have done more than 20? Probably. Hold on. Let's try a little bit more. Let's go 40. Yeah, I like that better. Now, do we want to like break off a couple of chunks? What if we break off these corners? How would that work? So let's see. If we got Alright, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this layer. And then we're gonna color it black, and nope, not that, this. Then we're gonna like scoot it, right? We're gonna have to scoot it a lot. Oh. No, this is going to be a lot easier than I thought. Just line it up with these corners. Like, just cornerize these, I think. Yeah, cornerize it like that. Just... yeah, we're going to cornerize it like that. And then we're going to... oh. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense. Okay, whatever. Gotta hide that one. Dude. Okay, here we go. Cornerize this bad boy. So we need to... hey! Alright, we need to cornerize this one now. Right here, like a boss. Oops. Alright. Cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to merge all of these ones. And then with that, actually we're not done yet. We gotta kind of block this in. We'll just take a big ol' pixel. Big ol' 80 size pixel. An 80 pixel sized pixel. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Dope. Actually, I mean, that's a kind of cool looking reticle. Why don't I just do that? Probably should. I probably should do something similar to this. Maybe I should do like, hold on. Maybe I'll get like 80, 40. Let's try 40 pixel. I don't even know if it's actually, it's not really 40 pixels in this little pixel. Let's see. Yeah, what if I, in this one, what if we go like, we're just gonna like block this out like this, okay? Getting creative, guys. Bear with me. Oh, fucking A. There we go. Okay. Block out this one. Ah, dude, hold on. Spacing 1. No, that's not really gonna work, is it? Unless I do. No, never mind. Okay, we could do that from this side though. So what if we do... Oh, bro. Okay, wait. Boom. Select. Shrink. Cancel, don't shrink it. Fill that. Now we shrink. By, I don't know, like 10. So we shrunk by 40 for that one. 20 wasn't good enough, but I kind of want to add some variance. So try 20 here. Yo, dude. Okay. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this layer. Hold on. We're going to add a layer mask, full accuracy, and then paste this one right here. That's... Oh, bro. Fuck. Yeah. I see what I did there. It's okay. Merge down to this one. I think that should be all I really need, right? That looks like a fine reticle. Export this bad boy, brother. Prototype reticle 01. Yeah. Did I do it right? Cool. Alright, so then now we're gonna make ourselves texture rec. Reticle. How big is it gonna be? It's fucking huge, dude. This makes no sense. I don't know why I did this way. Should we make it smaller? Should probably make it smaller. Should probably keep it in like bits too, bit format. Not small enough. When's the day? When's the day you're gonna be glad to hear someone say that's not small enough? So we got our reticle. Aimcast is not aiming where you need it to. And then yeah, so shoot cast will we do have a process. Dope. I don't have to type func space underscore process. So the wait. How am I going to do this? This is gonna be weird. Wait. Is that the opposite of what you hear? I actually don't hear anything. No one talks about me. Nobody talks. Nobody mentions me. I'm just invisible. No one notices me. Which I guess is better. I guess that's like the most I can ask for. I was working, but I couldn't resist. Yeah. Nice. It had an effect. I was wondering if anyone was gonna catch that. I'm glad you caught it. Okay, so in process, we need to somehow get the aim cast from here. Oh wait, whoa, hold on. I think what I can do is pass a vector 3 through here, through the player script. I'll go like, oh dude, what the fuck did I just do? So if aim, oh dude, I don't even have the on ready for it under camera. That sounds good. If aimcast dot is colliding. Then if oh wait. No, wait, yeah, we'll do it this way. So no, dude, shit. We should check to see if there's something in hand first. That's how we should do this. So if hand dot get child count is more than 0, now we go if aimcast dot is colliding. And we go we're gonna make an aim variable here. Aim. We're gonna make that a vector 3. Vector 3.0. Now, what the hell? Oh yeah. If aimcast is colliding, then hand dot get child 0 dot aim. Is that what? I forgot what variable I just made. Aim, yeah. Dot aim equals aimcast dot get collider. Else and dot vector 3 0, right? I don't know about this though, because, well, no, this should be a problem. It won't be a problem at all. Everything is going to be fine. There you go. So if held equals true, we're going to have what is it? Shoot cast. We're gonna have shoot cast look at aim. And we should have an accurate gun, right? Is that how it works? No, not really. Outside the property, key aim, value type, static right thingy. Oh, yeah. Dot. Oh, dude, no. Wait. Get collision point. Yeah. Yeah, that should do it. Oops. Yeah. So what I need to do, actually, is, I need to make another, particle system. GPU particles, we're gonna call this one blast impact particles 0, 1, because you never know if you're gonna need another one. Process material, new process material, draw pass, quad mesh. Where's my particle 1? Here we go. Set that transparency to alpha. No shading, no need for that. Or shadows. That thing does not need shadows. We're going to change that in the thing. Gonna do particle billboard, keep scale. Let's see, what else? Is there anything else I need in here? Don't think so. I think that's all I need to set inside that. So we go to particles. Velocity. We'll go, let's see. How about we do 0? We could just have this thing blast all over the place. Okay. 0.1 enough. So let's colorize this thing to be, let's see. We'll just have it. Oh wait. No. We're gonna do a color ramp. New gradient. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this thing start at hella yellow and then end in hella transparent. And then with the scale, let's make a curve for that. That shit's gonna go from like here to here to here. Yeah, no, wait, get rid of that one. All right. So we're gonna make that explosiveness 0.9. And one shot. Boom, 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 boom. We're also gonna reduce the scale of this. We're just gonna make that scale 0.2 to 0.5. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, up that amount to 50 maybe. Boom, 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 boom. 40. Boom, 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 boom. 30. Boom, 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 boom. 20. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, 20 is fine. And also, what if we made this point, the lifetime 0.2 instead? Okay. So we need to save this in, where are we going to save this? Object, because we have blast particles here. Yeah, so save blast impact particles, add a script. Yep, create. So on ready, we're going to do emitting equals true, and then on process, if emitting equals false, then we're going to queue free. Save all, item. Alright, we're gonna have to make another preload here. So on ready var blast impact particles gonna be a packed scene. Then we're going to reload blast impact. Dope. Getting it. Alright. So on the use, shoot cast, if shoot cast is colliding. Okay, so in here we can just do var new blast impact particles, blast impact particles, instantiate that bitch. Now new blast impact particles dot global position position equals shootcast dot collision point. What? Collision point. Get collision point. My bad. Sorry, I have to get it. Yeah, that's all I really need, right? World dot add child new blast impact particles. So now we can, oops. So now we can see where our shots land. right? Or if we had a gun, right? Ah, bro. What the hell just happened here? Hold on. Aincast is colliding else and dying eventually. Wait, what? Aim with the value token. Vector 3 on a base object type like 3. Bro. Wait, what? Oh, oops. Yeah, get child 0 0 dot aim. Whoops. Wait, what? Oh. Dot. Try that again. W, so many W's. Okay, wait, what? The hell? Wait, what? If shootcast is colliding, but if it's not colliding, oh, hold on, hold. Oh wait, actually that's kinda hard to. Yeah, so I think where's oh, it should be in here, right? Yep. Look at there's like a bool we can do, right? Just put true, right? Put comma true here. Maybe this will fix it. Nope. Oh, wait, up. Okay, so yeah, just do vector 3 up. And then we can do true on that one. Alright. Forgot about that. Vector 3 dot up. True. Nope. Nope. That does not fix it. Something about this doesn't feel right. We're gonna try. So let's try moving the player over here a little bit. Then we can also. Okay, don't try not to move the mouse. Alright, I go remote. We'll go player. And then we will just put this in dude's hand, right? I can't do that? Bro. I want to move this to here. Why won't you allow me to do that? You should be able to allow me to do that, right? Right, so then I really don't know how I'm gonna So it's colliding, but why? Wait, hold on. Can we do... That didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. It should though. So let's see here. We are going to print shootcast dot get collider and also wait. We're also going to print cast dot collision point. Where's collision point? Here we go. Get collision point. All right. Why the hell? Is this shootcast? Is this colliding with? No, it's not colliding with the player. So there's aimcast. Hold on, how's an aimcast work? That doesn't really do anything, right? It just looks in that direction. I don't move it or anything. Oh shit, still. Yeah, no, it's just gonna. Yeah, aimcast is colliding. Aimcast get collision point. Yeah. What if I actually manually enter in 0 3 times? Does that change anything? No. Not a damn thing. Exclamation point. So yeah, let's change this back to 0. Maybe we should turn it then we'll go cast dot get collider. And, Okay. More debugging. Let's get this. Alright, so. Yeah. Why? Oh, wait. Oops. So. I don't know. Wait. What if we just don't do this? I think it has something to do with the spring arm. Like the spring arm is making this all weird. But it kinda, oh no, never mind. I was about to say, but I would be wrong. I don't know, man. Yeesh. Alright, well, I'm gonna pick this up later. Try to figure this out another time. But for now, yeah, we'll continue this tomorrow. 100%. I'll pick this back up tomorrow. Probably iron out whatever's going on here, whatever this is, and yeah, I don't know. Hopefully actually get some actual gameplay. Try to get that NPC to like go aggro and attack back. That would be pretty cool, right? But yeah, for now we're just gonna shut down the stream. And for YouTube people, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. If you watched all the way through the video, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. Have a good night, have a good afternoon, have a good morning, whatever time it is for you. Peace out.